because I was just curious, like where do you take out or vent out your, because as you know, as stars,
Yeah.
you are pressurized to always be good, be nice, be perfect on
Yeah.
Say
the
the right
say the
things,
right things.
and
Always this pressure is there, no?
Yeah,
But
for
you'll also
sure.
have Vedo Koroj.
bhadas.
So those days, like how
But
do you?
I for me, for me, all the programs that I've done at the Isha Yoga Center have been very, 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 very useful, and it's also something that's completely changed my life. All the meditation techniques and the sadhana that I've been doing, it's really helped me deal with a lot of things. And honestly, I think I'm the most happiest and joyful I've been in my life.
Really?
And I feel like
Yeah.
that's my biggest achievement with this. And I think spirituality is not to run away from anything, but it's actually to make you happy and joyful without exterior support. Because otherwise, we're always like dependent. Na, ki something happens and then I'm happy.
Correct.
But if you're just happy and joyful in your nature, and I feel like that's my biggest takeaway from spirituality. And it's, if at all, it's made me more. It's added a lot more fire in my life. Like I'm a lot more ambitious. I'm a lot more everything for life. I'm hungry for life. You know, I'm hungry for just living. So I think it's done that to me. So does it mean I don't have a bad day? Of course I have a bad day. Of course I have a meltdown. I have all of those. But I just am, the recovery period is very quick.
Oh,
Matlab, I come back to like, हाँ रो लिया ना, okay now what? Like you're back,
okay.
you know. So I think that's what all my sadhana has done to me, and I highly recommend it to anybody. The thing is, it needs work, you know, and I think I understand it's hard to get to it. So whenever I start talking to any of my friends about meditation, they're like, oh, we can't, it's boring, all
Hey, we
that.
would love to talk about meditation.
Yeah, but a lot of
I
people,
have a few
like, I
doubts
know.
also about meditation. Can I?
No, I'm no authority to answer any questions on
But still,
meditation.
you have learned from experience,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah. Huh.
sure.
I feel like that's the thing with, even with experiences, is they're individual,
Correct. It might not
and
apply to
it
me.
might not apply to you,
Yeah.
Correct.
especially when it comes to meditation. So I highly recommend doing the courses, because your own experience will help you navigate whatever's in your mind.
Yeah. So that's interesting though, because you started off right in school. So you
Yeah.
didn't do engineering, but you did inner engineering. And who's I am so yeah.
No, but I highly recommend it, and I think it's something. It's truly something that's changed my life. So I would always ask people to do it.